Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use LibKey Nomad, a browser extension that connects you directly to full-text scholarly articles available through the Bakersfield College Library. You may have used Google Scholar or other larger websites like PubMed or other publishers, but most likely have run into paywalls. And it can also be unclear whether the BC Library actually provides access to the material that you're looking for. LibKey Nomad helps solve that problem by checking BC Library subscriptions and providing one-click access to the full-text PDFs when they're available. So to get started, you want to open up your browser and go to libkeynomad.com. And once you're there, click the Get LibKey Nomad Now button. And as you can see, there are a variety of browsers here to choose from, but since I'm using Chrome, I'm just going to install in Chrome. And then you would add it to your browser, add the extension, and as soon as that gets installed, it's going to pop up with this box. And you simply type Bakersfield College here into the organization box. Just click that. And there we are. It is saved. So just to show you how this will work, I'm going to go through Google Scholar and PubMed and show you some of the options available to you. By going to Google Scholar, you will see it right here. So there are a few things you can do. I'm just going to search for sleep apnea here. And very often, Google Scholar will provide the full text PDFs, but there are times that they won't. Sometimes you may only be able to get the full text at BC if you have the library hooked up to your Google Scholar. But if not, what you can do is click this handy little button here, search this in BC databases, and it will search automatically through our OneSearch program. So you can find what is available through our subscriptions, sorry. And if you also have any questions, you can open the LibChat, which is connected directly to the BC Library. So you would just sign in with your credentials here as you normally would, and then hit Start Chat, and you will be connected directly to a librarian who can assist you in real time. And now, if you want to find something on a larger website like PubMed, rather than asking for you to search through it through the databases, sometimes it will just provide the PDF itself. So here, you can see this option here, download PDF. Unfortunately, these other resources are not available, but this one is. And all you have to do is click it, and it will take you directly to the PDF. And now once you're here, you could download it to your device by hitting the download button and save it to wherever else is most convenient for you. So LibKey Nomad is an excellent browser extension that's always going to be working in the background for any type of articles or topics you search for, whether it be Google on a site like PubMed or just any site that you come across. So it often works on other sites like Science Direct, Springer, Wiley, and some other ones as well. But it is important to note that what LibKey Nomad does is it provides access to full text materials that the BC Library has a subscription to. So it will not actually search through entire databases for you besides searching through OneSearch, as I showed you. And it's not going to evaluate whether a source is credible, and it also is not going to replace a specific database like Medline or anything like that. But that's not what it's meant for. It's just meant to be a tool to work alongside you and help make your researching a lot easier and seamless, so you don't have to bounce back and forth between a lot of different websites or databases, and hopefully access the PDFs right then and there. So thank you for watching, and remember, if you need any help finding sources, installing this particular extension on your browser, do not hesitate to reach out to me or any other friendly BC librarian. We are here to help.